On the north side of the Alamo City is the township of Shavano Park, and there you'll find this amazing home at 122 Broken Bow Lane. This home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is a lofty 3,523 square feet. Upon entry, you simply get taken aback by the amount of open space in this floor plan. There's a fireplace and tile flooring throughout the downstairs, with the exception of the bedrooms. The kitchen is huge, with new appliances set in granite countertops and custom oak cabinetry. There's also a large bay window to enjoy views of the beautiful backyard. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs, one of which can be used for an office and has cabinets all the way to the ceiling. And both bedrooms downstairs have beautiful hardwood floors. And I can't forget about the elegant living room right in the front of the home. Let's go take a look upstairs. Just adjacent to the stairwell is this very spacious bedroom with hardwood floors just like downstairs. Before entering the master bedroom, there's this large sitting area or nursery. The master bedroom is humongous. It has brand new carpet and a wet bar. The master bathroom is basically a spa. It has beautiful granite countertops, a walk-in shower, and a whirpool tub. The walk-in closet is big enough to be considered a 5th bedroom. The backyard is just awesome. It has beautiful landscaping, a built-in deck, a swimming pool, and spa. This home is a true owner's retreat.
For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.